Understanding SQL Injection, Risks and Prevention. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're diving into a critical topic in cybersecurity, SQL Injection. We'll explore what SQL Injection is, its risks, and effective prevention measures. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our cybersecurity content. SQL Injection is a type of cyber attack that exploits vulnerabilities in web applications. It occurs when attackers inject malicious SQL code into input fields or parameters, taking advantage of poor input validation. This can lead to unauthorized access, data manipulation, or even the complete compromise of a database. The primary risk of SQL injection lies in its ability to bypass authentication mechanisms and interact with a database in unintended ways. Attackers can execute arbitrary SQL queries, extract sensitive information, modify data, or even delete entire databases. It poses a severe threat to the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of data. To protect against SQL injection attacks, consider implementing the following preventive measures. Input validation. Ensure that all user inputs are validated and sanitized to prevent the injection of malicious SQL code. Parameterized statements. Use parameterized or prepared statements in your code to separate user input from SQL commands. This helps prevent unauthorized execution of SQL code. Least privilege principle. Assign the minimum necessary database permissions to your application. This limits the potential damage in case of a successful SQL injection attack. Regular security audits. Conduct regular security audits to identify and address vulnerabilities in your application's code and database configuration. In conclusion, understanding SQL injection is crucial for maintaining the security of your web applications and databases. By implementing effective preventive measures, you can significantly reduce the risk of falling victim to these types of attacks. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and comment. Stay tuned for more cybersecurity content, and until next time, stay vigilant and stay secure.
Subscribe.